إذ قال له ربه أسلم قال أسلمت لرب العالمين.
Such was Abraham, that when his Lord said to him, Submit, he said, I have submitted to the Lord of the universe.
ووصى بها إبراهيم بنيه ويعقوب يا بني إن الله اصطفى لكم الدين فلا تموتن إلا وأنتم مسلمون.
And Abraham enjoined the same upon his children, and so did Jacob. My children, behold, Allah has chosen this religion for you. Remain till death in submission to Allah.
أَمْ كُنْتُمْ شُهَدَاءَ إِذْ حَضَرَ يَعْقُوبَ الْمَوْتُ إِذْ قَالَ لِبَنِيهِ مَا تَعْبُدُونَ مِنْ بَعْدِي قَالُوا نَعْبُدُ إِلَهَكَ وَإِلَهَ آبَائِكَ إِبْرَاهِيمَ وَإِسْمَاعِيلَ وَإِسْحَاقَ إِلَهًا وَاحِدًا وَنَحْنُ لَهُ مُسْلِمُونَ.
Why were you witnesses when death came to Jacob? He asked his children, Whom will you serve after me? They said, We shall serve your God, the God of your forefathers, Abraham, Ishmael, and Isaac, the one God, and unto him do we submit.
تلك أمة قد خلت لها ما كسبت ولكم ما كسبتم ولا تسألون عما كانوا يعملون.
Now they were a people who passed away. Theirs is what they have earned, and yours is what you have earned. You shall not be asked concerning what they did.
وَقَالُوا كُونُوا هُودًا أَوْ نَصَارَىٰ تَهْتَدُوا قُلْ بَلْ مِلَّةَ إِبْرَاهِيمَ حَنِيفًا وَمَا كَانَ مِنَ الْمُشْرِكِينَ.
They say, Be Jews or be Christians, then you will be rightly guided. Say to them, No, follow exclusively the way of Abraham, who was not one of those who associate others with Allah in his divinity.